Here's something. Aww.
Shit. I see him.
Oh my god. Are they stuck?
I think so.
They'll just follow each other?
Yeah, they've ducks in a row. Guys, we'll get you. We're gonna get you. Oh, they're just coming and coming. It's all right, little guys. Where'd Mama go?
I don't know.
I hear her. Oh, she's over there.
Hey,
It's all right, guys.
We'll send one of the boys.
Oh, I can do it. Hi, babies. It's gonna be okay. We're gonna get you all, and I'm gonna cuddle you and pet your fur the wrong way and everything. That's right.
They're so cute.
We got a guy coming with a net. Alright, so we have a bunch of little baby ducks stuck in this drain. We were on lunch and I kept hearing a duck quack, and the mama was wandering around over here just quacking, and it got our attention, so I knew there was a drain over here. We came over and looked, and this is what we found. So I got a guy, one of my associates is coming with Julian, and they're bringing us a net, and we're gonna get these little guys free. No, I saw the mama was like circling, quacking. All right, I'm diving in. You record me. It's already going.
Oh,
goodness.
I'll take my pictures for you.
All right, go ahead. Look at them all.
Oh, the little baby ducks. Oh. Sherry the Savior.
That's right.
Go ahead, Ninja Turtle Sherry.
What?
Go ahead, Ninja Turtle Sherry.
No, they're too big.
Oh, we're gonna have to move this.
Oh my god, you threw something at him, you jerk.
Look, Mama Duck is very concerned over
She's
there.
been over here the whole time we were on lunch. We could hear her. Then when she was just like walking around up here, we were like,
Oh, don't run! Don't run! Come on! Don't run!
Ducks.
I got a couple.
No way.
wait,
We
put
got
them
a
over here
couple.
in the grass.
Yeah, put them in the grass.
Aww.
Huh?
Come here, Maya. We're saving her.
Oh my gosh. Dude, she's actually coming.
Yeah, those are her babies.
Don't touch them, Sherry. She's not gonna claim
Oh, that's
them.
not true. They don't know that.
I touched a ducky.
Oh, they're so sweet.
Little duckies.
I clocked back in for this.
I told her, I said, can we clock in for this? And she goes, no.
You guys are still on lunch.
Bitch. Yeah?
Ooh.
I do this shit for free, alright?
Look, she's walking to him. She's calling. Look, she's walking to them. Look.
Oh,
Staying recorded.
A reuniting of ducks.
Wait, Mom.
Mom Duck, don't leave. Don't leave. We have more ducks.
Sherry, go in there.
I'm about. Well, they're clear back that way now.
Oh, no, they are?
Yeah.
Mommy Duck.
Mommy duck.
You can't just cut your losses.
Mommy duck, wait.
I'm waiting on them to stop being scared and come back.
There's more in here, Mom Duck.
Just trying to get them away from us. Forgot about that part.
Dude, they had to try to get in there.
Huh?
No, they probably
tried
just
to get
fell.
No, they.
Get some Dawn dish soap and record this.
We don't need Dawn dish soap, Julian.
That's what we do, though.
Only if they're covered in oil.
Thanks, VP. No, Mom, wait.
You guys can go now. Little babies.
Oh goodness.